Netspeak is a search engine designed to help you to express yourself in a foreign language by providing you with insight on how common native speakers use certain phrases. The interface of Netspeak is user-friendly. You can type in any expression that you want to search in the query box. As you can see, there are 3 icons beside the query box. You can click on the I icon to show quick instructions with examples. Click on the X icon to clear the input field. And click on the 3rd icon to see your search history. Netspeak supports searches in 2 different languages, English and German. By default, the language option here is English. You may also click the Help at the bottom left of the page to get more examples illustrating how you can use Netspeak to query phrases, such as how to find one word, find at least one word, find 2 or more words, find any number of words, find the best option, find the best order, find the best synonym, and compare phrases. You may now try the search functions one by one to get a clear idea of how Netspeak works. Firstly, find one word. You can use a question mark in your query to search for a missing word. For example, if you type in face difficulties with a question mark in between, the search results will show the number of times this phrase appears and the percentage of frequency. You can also click on the phrase to see the sentences taken from corpora. Take face increasing difficulties as an example. You can also check the source by clicking Google Books to see how the target word or phrase is used in context. Secondly, find 2 or more words. You can use 2 or more question marks to find as many words for them. For example, if you type in face difficulties with 2 question marks in between, the search results will show the number of times this phrase appears and the percentage of frequency. You may also click on each phrase to see the sentences taken from corpora and check the source of the phrase. Thirdly, find any number of words. You can use ellipsis dots or asterisk to find any number of words. For example, you can type in face difficulties by adding ellipsis dots between the 2 words to get phrases, such as face of difficulties, face of these difficulties, face of great difficulties, and the percentage of their frequency. You may also type in face asterisk difficulties to get the same results. Fourthly, compare words. You can use square brackets to compare words or to check which of 2 or more words is most common. For example, if you want to know, in the current study and in the present study, which is more commonly used, you can type in the current present study with the 2 words in the square bracket. The search results will show the number of times each phrase appears and the percentage of frequency. From the search results, you may know that in the present study is more commonly used. You can also type in become famed famous. And the results show that the more frequently used one is become famous. Fifthly, compare phrases. You can use the pipe symbol between phrases to get a comparison. For example, if you want to know the 2 phrases, see below table and see table below, which is more commonly used, you can type in see below table, see table below, with a pipe symbol between them. The search results will show the number of times each phrase appears and the percentage of frequency. From the search results, you will know that see table below is more commonly used. Sixthly, find the best synonym. You can use the hash in front of a word to check which of its synonyms are commonly written. For example, if you type in become #famous, the search results will show the number of times that synonymous phrases appear and the percentage of frequency. From the search result, you may know that become renowned is the best synonym. Finally, find the best order. You can use curly brackets to check in which order 2 or more words are commonly written. For example, Just now you used the pipe symbol to see which phrase is more commonly used, see below table or see table below. If you type in see below table in curly brackets, you get the same results that see table below is more commonly used. You can also check the frequencies of to look up something or to look something up by typing in to look up something with up and something in curly brackets. You will get the results that to look something up is more frequently used. In addition, you can also combine different symbols to try the advanced search. For example, you can use the hash sign, hash, in front of provide to check which of its synonyms are commonly used in the phrase provide assistant. And use asterisk to find any modifiers of assistance or missing words in front of assistance. By typing in #provide asterisk assistance, you can get phrases such as provide technical assistance, offer assistance, provide financial assistance, etc. To sum up, Netspeak is a useful tool for increasing lexical diversity and checking accuracy in writing.